Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So client took the trip from Boston, Massachusetts. He took the 4.5-hour trip from Boston to our shop in New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on his 2013 Street Glide. Super mint condition bike. The bike is flawless condition, well maintained, well kept. He had a jam rocker set up on there for a few years, and now he just got motor work done and a new exhaust, and he just couldn't hear the audio anymore. So he wanted something that would last him years. He wanted something that would play really loud and give him good mid bass without having to put woofers in the saddlebags. So he chose all Euphoria xpert equipment. So the new EX 300.4 amplifier, Euphoria xpert, the coax carbon fiber coaxials V2, and the 6-spine horn loaded 6 spines, the NCDs, NVS audio wiring, NVS audio RCAs, and the Cicada Pro 412 DSP. He came early in the morning, so we got them all done in one day. Great fit and finish. Everything went together nicely. Tuned it. RTA tuned the bike, sounded phenomenal. He couldn't believe how loud it was with just 4 speakers. He says he'll definitely be able to hear it over his exhaust out, and it's nice and clear. Nice and clear, plenty of mid bass. It's the performance you come to expect from Euphoria xpert. Sounded really good, went together nicely. Mint condition bike. Now he's got the audio to match. Check out what we did for him. He also did the new Soundstream Street Glide radio, but he did the V2 version. So it gives him all the features of the 14 and up V2 radio from Soundstream on a 13 and down. So it's got a brighter screen, it's got built-in navigation, it has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, high voltage RCAs, and gauges. It used CAN bus to pull gauges up on the screen. And really, really nice features. So even if you have a 13 and down, you could still get the 14 up features on your bike with the new Soundstream radio for the Street Glide. It's the V2.
Que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya lo pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces todo mi querer. Déjame solo vivir esta vida que sabe a ternura. Por más que llores, que ruegues, no pienso romper mi atadura. Limpió mis heridas, volvió a levantarme del suelo donde tú me dejaste.
So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly.